Lloyd, mo di mong favorite sa kanya. Gusto na ko i-dedicate ko di siya sa emo, ha? Lala, para ma-happy ka. First time I lay my eyes on someone like you, I can't forget the hour, that moment with you. And then I realize love's going deep inside. I feel the beating of my heart. 'Cause every day and every night I keep looking at the skies, and I pray that someday you will wake up in my arms and love will never end. We belong together, always and forever. Call my name and I'll be there. So, mo lang to, Lloyd, ha? Thank you.